that's inconvenient. This one over here is on the second floor. Something's wrong with that one. Oh. What floor are you going to?
Thank you very much. 8, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, you're home. How come you're taking pictures of the floors?
Oh, I just like filming elevators. Something I like to do.
That's okay,
Yeah.
you know. So do you ride the top and then the bottom, or what?
Yeah, that's how these elevator videos work. Anyways, have a good day.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. These are the elevators at the Magnolia Hotel in Denver, Colorado. These are Otis Series 1 elevators. Yeah, a couple of these elevators are... Every other elevator seems to be out of service, though. Let's get a cab view. Yeah. I don't know if these elevators are broken or they're being modded. Going down?
Front of engineer.
No. Go ahead.
So transport screen is good. I didn't know. I know she opened the doors, but I didn't know if you caught her.
I'm not going to watch it close up because it seems like they are pretty busy because these two are out of service for some reason. That's it.